Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to install the battery on this device. To install the battery, you need to. So here, as you can see, I have the front part of my printer with the printer's name, but on the other side, I have the battery plate. So we need to rotate our printer on this side, and as you can see here we have this part of the printer. I don't know why we need it, but here on the battery we have pins. As you can see, we have pins entrances, and here we have these gold pins. And what we need to do, we need to install this battery in this way. As you can see, here we have pins, and here we have pins. So we need to make it in this way to enter pin entrances into pins, and then just press on the battery until you will hear the click sound. So just hear it again, and it means that power battery was successfully installed, and you can press the power button to enable the printer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.